we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with NASDAQ guides, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With NASDAQ's melody, we'll capture your heart. Ooh, yeah. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market, where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With NASDAQ's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with NASDAQ's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with NASDAQ's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With NASDAQ's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay.
All right. Good morning. It's Friday. Let's get into the futures market. Be your host today, Omnius. See if we can find futures floor. Futures, where'd you go? Has anybody seen futures floor? Anybody? Let me see if I can find them. Looking for futures floor.
Dream, swear to God.
I think I found them.
I'm here. I was on your stream. I was screaming. You're not looking. You're cold. You're not looking in the right direction.
I was looking on the floor.
Yeah. That's where I should be, I think. Eh?
On the floor. It's like he's got to be on the floor somewhere.
It's in his name.
It's in the name.
Order filled. You just inspired me to take a trade.
I think somebody else said look in the ceiling. Of course he's hiding on the ceiling. Right? You put in the name futures floor and then you hide on the ceiling. Just makes sense. Okay, I gotta go.
I could do a pre-market analysis, a little quick one while I'm in a trade over here.
I haven't even looked at anything yet. You ready? You want to give it a second?
I'm ready. You let me know when you're good. Oh, come on.
Well, somebody said we had a lot of news coming up today. I guess it's just the 8:30 non-farm payrolls.
Oh my God, I'm not. It's a good thing we didn't start. I wasn't even connected.
Uh-oh. Connected to what?
I would have connected. I didn't even connect my Ninja Trader. It was like yesterday's charts.
Oh man, I don't know about y'all, but I was having so much trouble with Ninja Trader yesterday. Yeah. It screwed all my settings up, like everything. I don't know what happened.
Not getting good fills on daytrader.com. It's I think I want to get out of this trade.
What we got? 921. You still in that trade?
I'm still in that trade. I do have a stop at 91 minus 14. That's 77, 5 points away. Okay, I mean, you ready to go? We go.
I'll do it.
That's the problem. On the 30-minute chart, which is what I primarily look at for my pre-market analysis, I mean, there's no case for the bears right now, unless you are looking for trying to catch a top, reversion to the mean. We're above the Asia session highs. We're above VWAP. We're above previous day's high. We're above previous day's close. And we're right at London high. So that's a very strong market. That's it for me for today. Long bias.
Yeah, I'm going to have to go with that also. I mean, bulls are in charge, clearly. Go out to the hourly. Nice bullish candle, push right through that resistance, creating a gap.
Had a bit of a trend line there on the 4 hour, on your hourly too. Broke through it with nice momentum.
You talking about recently or?
Yeah, going back from the 13th to from the 13th to the 2nd.
Yeah, breakthrough. Pushed up, came back, tested support, pushed up again, came back, tested that support, broke through. Now we're breaking through another resistance. So bulls are alive and in charge. We're looking for our next target to be kind of a little one here, but 23,962. We have a little support at the 24,000 and then the 24,69. So we want to look for good pullbacks, jump in on the longs, not do anything stupid like try to sell the top and think it's overbought. The market can go for a long time. Skeletor, good morning. Let's go 30 minute. Yeah, we want to see if the market wants to come back, cover some of this gap. What I'm looking for.
Yeah, 683. Oh, yeah.
Friday we did have large news this morning. What was the news again? Give me 2 seconds, I'll tell you. Non-farm payrolls. So we did have large news this morning. It's Friday. Hopefully everyone's had a good week. We don't have to hit home runs on a Friday. A lot of people even stay out of the market on Fridays. So look for a decent setup. Look for a nice pullback. That's what we're looking for. Pullback, maybe to the moving averages or something. Push up. And that's it for me today. What you got, Mike?
What do we got the range on the... Well, it's quiet. It's quiet. Not much to write home about. 9-point range on the 1-minute candle, especially with news out. That's kind of disappointing. And volume, I can tell you just from crazy observation, without even looking, if you're not over 300,000 right now, ooh, then it's very quiet. We just broke it, 309,000. I like to see 400,000, 450,000, you know, by 925. 300,000 is quite low. So it's going to be a quiet day.
Yeah, I think that's going to wrap up the morning analysis. Not really a lot of sales for the prop firms out now. Hopefully everybody got it when they're all on sale. But if you need a new prop firm, links are in the description. As always, drop down, grab one. We appreciate it. And that's going to do it.
Yeah, I took a look at the Bulenox. They uncharacteristically have nothing, eh? What do they have there? They have
to be honest with you, I haven't even checked it today. I guess I could have checked it before I said that. They might have just put something out. Well, I got a lot going on. You have to forgive me. I'll check it in a minute.
Yeah, go and look. Go and look and go tell me what it is. I'm curious to see if they changed it.
Here, I'm going to change this 4 to a 5 and done. See how quick that was?
What did you do?
Everything.
4 to a 5. 4
4
to a 5. Hey, not bad.
Everything.
Don't like that.
That was it, buddy. That was it.
4 to a 5. He's changing a 4 to a 5. I can't guess what he did.
Everything.
Come on, push up. He did everything.
It's the morning analysis, man. It's done.
Done.
On to the next. What else you got? Look, I'm already here. Bro, I might show up late, but look how fast I get everything done, like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I've already got my stuff set up, rearranged NinjaTrader, set this up, morning analysis, posted a video, and changed the world in the past 10 minutes.
There's in the trade.
What else we gonna do with our day?
I'm there's in the trade and daytrader.com. Daytrader.com. It's turning out to be my new MFFU. Very difficult.
No, don't say that. Remember the positive. Speak positive.
Speak positive. You're right. I saw a whole video on that.
Speak yourself into existence. You create the world around you.
It is an amazing theory.
I was watching a video a week or so ago. You'd have loved it. It was talking about people with illnesses and stuff, and how they learn to start thinking differently and start changing the illnesses.
Well, I don't know if it's the many worlds theory, the quantum worlds theory. They're saying they're all in just like electrons. They're all there. And depending on how you think, that's without micro thinking, without the way the guy explains it. If you want something to happen, don't be checking on it every second, because you're causing it to, you're causing the wave function to collapse into where you are now. You got to give it time.
Well, people naturally have a negative thought. So you think about something positive and you automatically think of the negative thought of it. And people don't realize how important the negative thought is and what it does. And this guy is basically saying that you're in charge of a trillion different things living in your body, and they're all trying to do exactly what you tell them to do, but you just don't realize that you're telling them to do the wrong things. It's like, yeah, we're trying to obey your commands, but then you have all this negative thought. It's all kind of interesting.
Markets are opening in, and I'm going to hit a PDLL again in daytraders.com.
No.
In 30 seconds. Maybe yeah, there we go. Oh well, $300. What can you do? You got double slapped.
On to the next.
Yep. PDLL is what saves the account. I got double PDLL, but I'm only at 24,694. It's a 25K account, only down 300.
He got double banged.
I'll make it up again.
Sorry.
Eventually, I'll break through. Okay,
right,
so
just disclaimer real quick. I'm not trying to make fun of any of the things that you've lost or anything. That wasn't my intentions. What was the alarm for? That your alarm?
Yeah, well, 9:30, market open.
I didn't know if it was coming from my system or yours.
I needed to hang on just a little bit longer.
Out of all the things I've done, I didn't turn my music on. Can't trade without music. Loud, heavy, face-melting music.
Give me one more. That was an error. So I'm out of the shop today.
So from that drop down up to the high is about 175 points.
Yep.
A lot of bullishness.
Where's my problem is the open is there. Cut on the wrong side.
Keep trying to keep up with my calendar, but they keep messing me up. They switch from one calendar to the next, and I can't put it. I gotta find a different way to mark my stuff. Beautiful, beautiful. I like looking back at a nice, beautiful calendar. What you got? You in a trade? Taking trade?
Yeah, short at 56.
Gonna be going on tilt, man. If you got to, take a breath. Take a minute. Breathe.
Yeah, I might have to.
We need oxygen. Listen, clenching your butt cheeks cuts off your oxygen, man. That's what messes us up. I'll clench your butt cheeks cuts off the oxygen. We can't think right. Ruin, good morning.
Let's get up to 70.
Yellowto, I believe I told you good morning, but I didn't. Good morning.
Got up to 70. $56.49. We're going to break through there. We're going to poke through the lows, and we're going to go back up.
Is that what you're hoping?
Like another, it's looking like, well, yeah, I guess. Go down to 42. Looks like it's another one of those days, though, where it's just poking the lows and poking the highs. And I'm short at 54, but I will get out.
You're talking about poking the lows and poking the high. I haven't even seen it move yet. Not on their own chart.
Yeah, take a look at my Renko chart. Or the 1 minute chart.
I'm on the 2 minute. It hasn't moved.
Yeah. Well, we're at that 840 level there, whatever.
Literally dropped down like 20 points and just stuck there. Oh God, this guy got me in trouble. I clicked on a post from you. It's got music in it. I get in trouble. I'm blaming you.
Oh yeah, really? That's lousy. That's lousy. That's discouraging.
What happened?
And no, you know, to click on a post, and I hate that. I really trying to make sure not to click on anything anymore during a stream.
Yeah, I'm not that worried about it. You're more worried about it than I am.
It's frustrating, that's all.
From what I hear, you get a 4-second buffer anyways.
Oh, yeah.
You didn't know about the 4-second buffer?
No, I didn't.
Who was it? I was on somebody's stream and they kept like playing music for like 3 seconds and like counting the 4. Like you have a 4-second buffer. Like we can listen to music. Just gotta stop it before the 4 seconds.
That's very annoying. 49. Let's see if we can get up to 56.
I can't think of whose stream it was. Did you see my new pre-market analysis picture?
Yeah, I did today. The thumbnail.
Still gotta change it up a little bit. I like the way it did it, but I had to do most of it myself.
Yeah.
I kept trying to tell Gemini stuff, and it was like retarded.
Yeah, Gemini does make mistakes.
I mean, it did great picture.
When it gets stuck in a loop, I start a new prompt.
I mean, it came up with great picture, but then to try to tell it to fix something, oh my goodness. I'd have better luck telling my kids to do their chores. All right, we're looking a little short, huh? I'm not going to take it because I don't want to go short, but
28. Let's see if we can move up to 35. Which comes first, 35 or 21?
I was telling Gemini I was trying to make a banner, and I gave it a banner, and then I gave it a picture of a guy, and I said, take this guy and put it in this banner.
Okay.
Literally stuck it over top of it like I glued it on there or something. I'm like, are you serious?
Yeah, I did that too. It was so funny.
I could have got my little girl to do a better job than that.
I think it's the language you got to use. I had two images, and I said, like kind of combine the two.
Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah.
All it did was it's just this weird job of putting one on the other. What?
Yeah. I just stuck it right over top of it, like not even a decent job or anything. Like it was a scrapbook or something.
Yeah, if you tell it, it figures it out.
I couldn't get it to. I had to go do it myself.
42, 35.
You hear me keep trying to move my mic. I don't know. It keeps picking up a lot of stuff. I don't know why.
29, 38.
You doing math?
Yeah, I am. I'm losing math. I'm losing money mathematically.
You sound like my son over here. My son's always like that. It's like 37, 68, 54.
Yeah, it's either math or it's football.
I'm like, son, what the heck are you doing?
Yeah, it's either math or it's football. I'm doing one of the other.
Nowadays, I try not to ask because he's working out some kind of complex math problem in his head.
Yeah.
And then when I ask, now I'm involved in the conversation. And then it's like, hey, Dad, what's the square root of this times this divided by this? I'm like, yeah, son, I got work to do.
Yeah. Coffee's good.
He just started 5th grade. He's already registering like 7th, 8th grade math levels and stuff.
Wow.
He loves everything that comes with numbers. That's why I say he's going to be an amazing trader.
Yeah, I used to love that too when I was young. I was always a numbers guy.
I was always a numbers guy, but I think he takes it to the next level.
Okay. Language was always open to interpretation, numbers not.
Oh, he hates language. Because he's so, he's like very rule based.
Yeah.
Like everything has to make logical sense.
Oh God, he sounds like me.
And then he gets to spelling and he's like, okay, well it sounds like this, but you spell it like this. Like, why don't we just spell it the way it sounds? Like, I don't know, son.
Oh, shit.
We're 10 minutes in, you done took 20 trades and I ain't took one.
Yeah. Not the greatest opening for me though.
Chat, anybody take any trades yet? Long, short? Anything you're looking at? Any cares and concerns? Let us know.
I'm not surprised at what the market did. I mean, we were hovering at pre-market highs.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. I'm not surprised that we dumped, but I'm not going to be surprised that we take them over also. How did the 2-minute opening range do yesterday evening?
You asking me?
That was one of those days. No, I'm looking.
No.
No, we analyze it, I think, a little bit differently.
He's like, wee. Those Canadian people. I thought that was wait. I thought the wee was the Swedish.
Yes, it means yes. No, we means yes. We O-U-I. That's how you spell it. We.
Wait, O-U-I spells we?
O-U-I
my kid.
spells we in French.
My kid would be so mad.
9:44. Is there news at 9:45? That's the 9:44. Wake up, just in case you're in a trade. There might be news.
I don't see any, unless anybody else does. We.
See, you got a new word to use.
No, if I can't spell it, I don't want to use it. What did you say? O-U-I? Oi?
O-U-I.
That's oi.
Oi. Well, in French, it's we.
Maybe it's the French guys all messed up with all these words. I'm going to start looking into all these words we can't spell. Are they French? Did the French do it again?
$9.45.
Large order block to the downside. Let's take a look. Get this one out the way. Large order block. How's it play out? I don't know. We'll see.
What are we looking at on the 1 minute? The daily, I didn't look at that. Wow, daily strong. Daily strong. Yeah, we have, I know someone was bringing it up. Kind of head and shoulders. But for now, it's not playing out. I remember someone brought it up and I said, yeah, I see it. I see that it could be a head and shoulders. Doesn't mean it'll play out as a head and shoulders, but I could see it.
I think with most of those patterns, it's good to just watch them and see how they play out. I personally try not to go into them thinking they're going to play out.
Yeah. Again, I'll just say the same thing about anybody and everybody's technique. Whatever it is you use, just find a place to frame a trade in a good location with low risk.
Exactly.
And it'll all be fine.
All that, whatever you just said, I agree.
In the end, it all comes down to the same thing. If you're not sloppy with your entries and your exits, you'll still have a certain percentage of winners, a certain percentage of losers. Look, we've been proving it with the coin flip and the chat's choice. Things will, work out. You just got to find a place to plant your flagpole in the ground, take your trade, and try to structure it in a way that your risk isn't large.
I think this is just chopping everybody up. You're not wanting this.
42.
If I did, I'd be looking for shorts at the moment because that's what my chart tells me. But don't really want shorts.
Let's get back down to 42. Nope.
kind of creating a wedge. Might see an inside candle in a minute. We don't push up. We get the inside. Maybe we'll look to. No, it's pushing.
I got the 9:49 alarm for the 15-minute opening range retest, but we haven't broken through the 15-minute opening range yet, so we can't be really looking for the retest. Let's try and keep it in our mind so we don't forget if it happens at 10:15 or later. Sparky, I gave you cookies like 3 times already. Jeez,
Give Sparky a cookie. Come on, man.
I gotta empty the whole jar. I tried that. I actually tried. I said, you know what? I'm going to make you sick of the cookies. I'm going to give you so many. Every time he asked for cookies, I gave him like, I don't know, a whole big fistful. He wouldn't even finish them. I said, okay, it's doing its job. He doesn't even finish them.
It's funny because I'm terrible about giving my dogs treats.
And now, he's still asking. You know, like if you were like bugging your parents for chocolate all the time and then they just got fed up and said, here's 100 chocolate bars. And they did that for like a week. You'd figure you would stop asking for chocolate bars. But no, this bugger still keeps asking.
I can eat some chocolate.
There's no stopping him.
Kind of quiet today, isn't it? What about?
Yes, it is quiet. Well, you know what? Take a long weekend. It's not, conditions aren't conducive to trading.
Mm-hmm.
Whoever's staying away is making the right move. Yeah, my boy's back. I'm curious to know if he's following the markets or he's taking the week off. I think he followed the markets a little bit, he said yesterday. It's tough, though, when you go on the other side of the world. The flight back is long, it's hard, it's tiring. Look, even now, geez, my boy went to California, my other one.
Where'd you
That's a long
say?
flight, too.
Where'd you say you went to? Portugal or something?
First one went to Portugal. Now the second one just left to.
Oh wow! What was that?
9:52. Seriously?
I literally just got out of a trade.
Mm-hmm.
I missed that by like 3 seconds. Oh my goodness! It ticked it too. See, sometimes they're in your favor and sometimes they're against you. Look at this.
Yeah.
This is crazy. You see it?
I saw it. I did. Oh, the hearts? Is that what you're talking about?
No. The trade.
Yeah.
The bot trade.
Yes.
Got out at what? 93.25. The high was 93.75 and then dumped. Whatever that is. Like Ninja Trader needs to make it easier to do drawings.
Yeah, I'm actually hoping to have a small trade and get into an unexpected move like that so I can go over the loss management technique. Show you guys.
One day I'll figure out how to get my chart to not display all the stuff where I can see it.
Show how to deal with it without panicking. The ins and outs, the pros and cons, what you can expect from it.
What are you talking about? Expect from what?
I was saying when you get an unexpected move like that, instead of panicking out, to show how to go into loss management mode, and show and be honest about it and show the pros, the cons, what you can expect, and how to work your trade to minimize your loss.
I don't know if I would not have gotten ticked out right there, which was literally like just ticked me out. I was gonna say something about it and it dropped 65 points, but if it had have got me, I don't know, I might have got out. I don't know.
Yeah.
With moves like that, you can never really tell. I've seen many times before where it just has that drop, and you're like, okay, it'll come back up. But it doesn't have to.
Yeah, well, that's it. That's the con. That's, like I said, show the pros and the cons. The con is there are times that it continues dropping, but again, I don't know if I explained it properly yesterday. You're pretty much just waiting for the first swing low to be put in, and then that becomes your stop. So right now, once this bar closes in 3 seconds, the previous bar on the 1 minute becomes your swing low, and now that would be your stop. And now you would work your trade and try to get out. So you're not really just DCAing and hoping. There is structure to it. That's what I was saying yesterday. It wasn't just a hope and a prayer strategy. But overall, the theory goes, it puts more dollars in your pockets than if you were to just panic out every time a fat finger hits the market.
Sometimes what I'll do, because that initial drop, there's nothing you can do about it, right? So
yeah, that's the fat finger.
Of course, you have to, whatever you're thinking, whatever you're doing's after that first drop. Even if you have a stop loss, we both know, a lot of people don't, can blow right through your stop loss. And then sometimes Ninja Trader will actually just cancel your stop loss instead of even filling the trade. Sometimes it'll fill it, sometimes it'll cancel it. So after that, normally what I'll do, if it does push up, I'll take the stop loss and put it under the low. And I'm gonna give it that chance to come back, but if it drops more, then I just want to get out. I know your loss management's a bit different than mine. I'm just trying to go over what I normally do.
Yeah, well, just as you mentioned that, I just realized one difference. You use the word stop loss. This is a loss management technique for people who don't manually put in their stop losses, who know where their stops are, but don't put in their stop. So that fat finger, as you said, just blows right through it. And now you have two choices. You can take that extra large loss, or you can try to go into loss management mode and make it a lot smaller. Theory goes, most of the time you will make it a lot smaller, but a couple of times a year, it will be a large loss.
Didn't go over the points I got. Was 13 points from the I don't know. I don't even know what I call that system. The bot. 13 points from the bot today. Bama, good morning. Happy Friday.
Really?
Really?
No, I had a short at 35 and I clicked in and I was in at 40. I said, wow, really? I was surprised to have such a better price. The market's trading erratically.
Really just going sideways. I mean,
good morning, Bama.
Don't know how much of this I'd want to mess with. Bama, how you looking on your side? You trading? Long, short, sideways? Staying out of it.
What's the range?
I'm trying to be more patient. I did get out of I don't know if you heard me talking about it, I did get out of a bot trade like 2 ticks before it dropped 70 points. Like as soon as it got out, it just like shot against me.
I love when that happens.
No, I was out of it. I mean,
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Don't you love when that happens, when you get out of it just before they pull the rug on you?
Yeah.
It's like, you missed me. You missed me.
No, I don't want to be like that, but see if I can show it again. Get there. I have to zoom way in because the way the chart sets up. Literally got
That
out,
was the 10 o'clock alarm. Just
checked it, and then dropped 70 points.
Anything due out at 10 o'clock in 36 seconds?
Not that I know of, but I think there might be people talking today.
Well, there's always people talking. I'm talking. You're talking. We're people.
I thought we were bots. I thought we were like AI avatars. No, I don't see anything.
55, 56, 57. What's happening with the spread? Do I see it anywhere? 50-cent spread. Nope, shouldn't be anything coming down the pipe at 10 o'clock.
No, I don't see anything.
Wah, wah, wah. Guess who's asking for more cookies? Yeah.
What are my cookies? I need some cookies.
Give you the boot. Leave me alone. Go play with other cats.
Fine, I'll go play with the other cats. Took a trade overnight, put it in Discord. Ooh.
Oh, did you really?
They get a new sim funded suite. That's what we like to hear.
Yeah, that's so funny. I was talking to my son about it yesterday, and I referred to my account as live. I called it live. And they said, oh my God, no, we can't do that. We used to do that. We used to call them live, when you passed. I think some people did. Some people called them funded. Some people called them live. I said, no. Now there's a differentiation. You got to go. Now it's sim funded.
So sim funded, then live, right?
Yeah.
But I used to call it like a eval and then a pro account and then a live account.
Yeah, everyone, you PA. A performance account. Everybody comes up with their own words, their own terms.
Yeah, they could just kind of come together and agree on something, right?
Mm. It's crazy. I don't get it. We have two things going on in the markets that don't mix, like oil and water.
Talk us through it.
Kind of weird. The volatility is 27 points on the 1 minute candles, but the continuation on the Renko chart, which you can see, is never large. It's a 1, it's a 2, it's a 3, it's a 4. High volatility. We should be seeing continuation.
We came down. We at a VWAP, kind of a pivot point there, slightly below, but it's there. We came down. We're in the gap from the hourly chart. Came down, came back to the gap, test the gap. So might get a push up from here, from VWAP, from the pivot point, from the hourly gap.
What are we pivot points? Yeah, my whole thing disappeared. I forgot what was on my chart. I like the pivots. I'm going to put them back on.
I thought you had them. You put them on before.
No, I did. Yes, I did. But remember, my whole chart template just went blank, and I had to rebuild it that one day.
Kind of what mine was doing yesterday.
I got to 90%, and then I kind of stopped. But as you just mentioned, the pivots here, I just realized I don't have the pivots on my 5-minute chart, which I do like. I like looking at them.
I try not to focus on them, but I mean, if they're there, they're kind of a influence with other stuff, right?
Mm.
Like we got the VWAP pivot right there. We got gap. We got the gap on the hourly. We're at a support zone. We have all these confluences coming together. Does that mean I'm gonna take the trade? No, probably not. I'll watch it. See what I like. Plus, I'm looking at all these wicks in the volume chart. Just wicks everywhere.
Yeah, it's that's what I'm saying. There's like no continuation. It just down and up.
This is like
down,
a grinder,
down.
just grinding everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm step away for a second.
And then there's gonna be one big momentum move.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Might not.
You know what?
Might not catch that move, but then at least that move will be a sign of, hey, we're looking for a direction or something now.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go fill up my coffee. My coffee cup is small, so we'll be back in just a couple of minutes.
Yeah. Grab me a coffee.
I will.
we got? Teacher's floor. Where's my coffee? Give me my coffee. Pushing down, dropping down. Fill the gap. Get rid of that.
He's back.
He's back.
There's the move.
Oh, where's my coffee?
I'll drink it for you. I'll let you know if it's. I'm testing it to see if it's been poisoned.
Oh, good man. I told y'all he was a good man. Hard to find friends like that.
Yeah. But
We had a strong push up earlier and then came right back down and filled it.
Let me open up this 1 minute chart here and look, see what we got. Excuse me.
1% from all-time highs. Oh, I see your head and shoulders on the daily.
1 minute.
So
yeah, sorry.
I would think it got invalidated with this push up. And it's not a very strong head and shoulders.
To be honest with you, I don't even know how that works. How they invalidate and 79.
I think it's unique for each person, right? Whatever you think invalidates it. Well, I was long biased, but the market decided different.
Market changed your opinion.
And I can't do what I want to do. We got to do what the market wants to do. Unless I can have really strong positive thought and we all think together.
Yeah, the market personality really changed for me. Very hard to get in on it's very erratic. It's like it never wants to be where it is. Anytime you place in a bid or an ask, it like just shoots away from that area. I don't know if you know what I mean. That's the only way I know how to describe it, though.
What do you mean?
You place it, like right now, you place a bid here, and boom, it just goes up 5 points. You know, it's like
I was just messing with you. It was a joke.
Yeah. No, but I'm just saying, it's like really odd the way it used to be so much easier to get in on the bid and the ask, especially on a thick market like NQ. There was always, I called it vibration. It was always orders come in, bid and ask, filling you. But now it's like you put in an ask and then like, I don't know, it's as if I'm like 1 second behind the markets or something.
Mm-hmm.
86. And then haven't given it enough thought on what to do, because the worst thing you do is you try to take profit by sitting on the bid or offering on the ask, and then you don't get filled, but it was there. It even went beyond it. And now it's at break even. Do you get out? Yeah, you have to.
Looking to see how we react at the 5 minute moving average. Looks like the ES is breaking through its 5 minute moving average.
$10. You know what? Market's opened up a little bit. I heard a rumor from a little bird on a wire that said you should wait to trade until 10 o'clock. Let all the noise, all the garbage get out of the market and let the market show you what to do. And that usually happens by 10 o'clock. You ever hear something like that?
I've heard people say that, but
it was a very wise man that said it, actually.
I think you should trade whatever your system is. Back test it, forward test it, dream about it at night, obsess over it. When you lay in bed at night thinking about your trading system, you know you got the right one. Getting to know everything about it.
Let's take a look at the 30 minute. Trading lower, the obvious target is the London session lows at 720-ish. Like Omnius said in the beginning, filling up some of the gap. The gap, the open, I have it at 683. Looks like we did. Did we do half gap already? Did we fill half the gap?
We filled the hourly gap.
Yeah, no, I'm just talking about the daily gap from...
yeah, I think you're talking about from the open.
Yeah, New York session. Exactly what? Okay, I have no explanation for that. I have no explanation. I'm not even going to try. I'm not even going to try and explain that. That's just alternate universe garbage.
You okay over there?
No.
What did the other Mike in the alternate universe do? We know it wasn't you. We know it was him.
Take a look at my fib retracement. I started the blue line on the top. I stretch, right?
Mm-hmm.
I should be able to go as far as I want. It won't let me go below 615. It just stops moving. You ever see something like that? Look, I just go down slow. It just stops. It doesn't follow my thing anymore.
You broke it.
Like it hits a wall. I've never seen something like that.
You broke it.
That's what I said. Don't even ask. I'm not even going to ask. Computers.
What if you go in front of the candle? Can you do that?
In front? You mean here?
Yeah. You have candle, you have behind candle, you have in front of candle.
I didn't know what you're talking about.
Go back 2 candles.
F8, hold on, escape, 2 back. Okay, here.
What? What do you mean here? Start at the top. All right, draw there, and now go forward.
Go forward? Oh.
Chat, does anybody know a French word for forward?
Yeah, forward. I'm forward. Look, I'm going
They won't
forward.
do it? That's funny.
It still just stops.
Now I'm going to have to try mine.
The world doesn't...
30-minute short? You try a different time frame?
Nah, I don't care. The world doesn't exist beyond those levels.
Fib retracement. Draw there. Oh, mine works. You broke yours?
I don't know. I guess I need a reboot. It's just
I don't know. Ninja Trader's doing weird stuff. I told you yesterday mine was like doing all kinds of weird stuff. All right. Down to the open. I don't think any of us showed up today thinking that this is what was going to happen, huh?
No, I didn't think we would get that. I really didn't. And good place to bounce here.
Did anybody take this short? Skeletor, Ruin, Bama, anybody for the short? Anybody take it? Not now. I mean, took it up at the top. I guess if we break the open, next target will be down at the support area. Around 630, 600 area.
Wow, nice. That looked like an obvious bounce trade, but I was trying to figure out how to get in on it on an eval on Apex, but I didn't know how to structure it.
I think the hardest part of trading is the entries. I think if I could just find a better entry system.
Yeah. If you use the fast Rankos for me, I'll get chopped up.
Yeah, I like Renko, but give a lot of choppy signals.
Yeah. Hey, we're in advance on this.
I think I'm still getting over the sickness still. Boat's all clogged up. Head's all clogged up.
Sound good.
Sound like a robot in a tunnel.
Oops. What are we short at? 16? You know what I would love? I would love a platform that has voice commands.
Yeah.
That would really be good for me, you know, like offer at 16, you know, like by the time I get my mouse there and click it, it's too slow.
I seen one guy saying that next 5 or 10 years or whatever, we won't even be using mouses anymore.
Yeah, we'll use our brain. That would be even better.
I think we just tell the computers what we want and the AI is going to do everything.
Yeah.
We'll just tell the AI, look, when this comes up to this level, you know, get me in a trade. Just think of how much trading is going to change next 10 years.
Oh, hello, OFT. Nice to see you. You know, the only problem is, as I said, there is a delay between what you see on the chart and what the data is underneath the chart.
Mm-hmm.
It goes back and forth. So by the time I see it on the chart, price has already moved. You know, data's coming in.
Still getting lots of selling going on.
Yep. But again, I have seen this
Yep, I agree.
pattern where we go below, close one time below, and then you go right back above the close, right back to previous day's close. $81. Really?
Really?
I didn't figure it'd go that low. Okay, you got me. Go the other way. Taking counter trend trades, it's hurting me again.
I don't like counter trend.
Nope.
I mean, I do.
No,
I just don't like that I lose so many times when I do it.
Yeah, going long, trying to catch the, you know, trying to form an opinion that we're going to go back over previous day's close. It's
Honestly, I think you can tell I'm naturally a counter trend person.
all throwing me off. Are you paper trading? Sounds like, I don't know, it's all paper trading. No, I trade my evals. I traded my, I did a lot of trading today. You got my, on the, left side, on the left side, you got daytrader.com, which I think is a great firm. That's an eval. I did 3 Bulenox master accounts, 2 Bulenox evals, 2 PAs in Apex. No, it's all over the board. Are we green or red? We're green, we're red. Bulenox is all green. PA Apex 297, green, 1 PA Apex minus 641. That one's gone. It was a 25K account. I couldn't do anything with it. It was never going, and that one's gone. Apex plus 256. So it's a mixed bag. Overall green. Gonna try another. Now I'm gone to it's 10:30. Trading eval now. Trying to trade it at larger size and see. I want to commit to 10 lots.
Still going short?
Still going short. Yeah, I got a short. Take a look at the wrinkle chart there. I got a.
I didn't know you was in a trade. Sorry. I was more just talking. Talking about the market.
Hoping to get down to 53.
But once again, I looked at a short and you're looking at a short.
53, 55, 54, 52, 51. There we go. I got my 53.
Sweet.
Got my first payout for the month today. 0 payouts last month. Green or we red. Way to go, OFT.
Sweet. Great job, OFT.
What's the news on the resumption of streaming? Anything? Are you gonna get back to streaming, or I think you are. I have that feeling. I have a band bounce trade here. I don't know if I want to take it for a 10 lot, but it's at the previous day's close. I'm going to take it for a 5 lot in the Apex account, Apex eval. Okay, let's see what we can do with this. Actually, I will take it for a 10 lot. The reason being is that when I get a little bit of a profit on the 5 lot, I'm going to take it. And that'll give me a buffer to hold. Let's see, I'm going to hold it. I'm going to make this website thing first. Well, it got out of hand now. A lot of work.
Sounds like a lot of work.
Yeah, I'm curious if a lot of work is because of the having to follow them all to see, what changes. I guess you just put a disclaimer, updated as of September 3rd. We update once weekly, something like that.
I had a hard enough time just trying to figure out that one or two.
Yeah.
Two. The one's got a whole different page. I'm like, what do I do here? The other one, I can't figure out what code to use. I don't know how people keep up with them.
Mm.
But that's right. I got my own custom code now for day traders.
Initial balance is forming 1029. Will be set in 1 minute. One of the strongest initial balance trades I noticed is that if you break the initial balance low or you break the initial balance high within the first 1 or 2 minutes after 10:30, it usually continues. Just an observation I've made. That has not been back tested. I don't have statistics on that.
At the day traders, they still got the sale going on. $38, $37.90. One-time payment. Doesn't renew monthly. And you get a free, you get Quantower full version for free. It's normally like $80 a month. You pay $37 and you don't even have to renew it and get a full version of Quantower. I think that's still probably the best deal going on, especially right now. You can also get the 25K trial for $24.90. One-time payment. I think that one comes with the full license of Quantower also. So instead of paying $80 a month for Quantower, you could pay $25 and have it.
Yeah, I don't think a lot of people realize that hack. You know, I call it a hack. If you want access to a certain platform,
I mean, that's a great hack.
Yeah, all you do is you just buy the eval, and you don't even need to trade it. You can just leave it.
Yeah, because it doesn't renew every month. As long as that's true. I mean, we're not that much into it to.
I'm sure it is.
Yeah, that's what they say.
Yeah.
So you could just buy it once. You don't even have to trade it, and you have a full license of Quantower.
Yeah, and you don't even have to buy the 50K account. You can go for the 25K. Get it even cheaper.
$25. You have a $80 subscription to Quantower, and the subscription you got to pay every month. Then you got to pay data, so the $80 turns into $100, and you can get it all right there for $25.
I don't think we're explaining properly. This does not renew monthly. The eval fee does not renew monthly. I don't know how to say that any more clear. You pay it one time. It's a one-time eval fee. That's the first firm that's doing that.
As far as I know, it's the only firm giving you a full license to Quantower. I don't know, maybe more are doing it. Only one I know of. On a one-time fee, that's crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, I have a full license to Quantower, but not through a prop firm. I think it's like $1,800 if you wanted to buy it, or $80 a month. And like I said, even the $80 a month, you still got to buy data. So that $80 a month is really $100 a month.
I hate having a bias, but I really think we're breaking initial balance low. But again, do not copy our trades. Don't even listen to what I have to say, because often when I have a bias, I get myself into trouble. Because I think it's, no matter what, it's going to play out. So I don't know where to get out. That becomes a problem. Well, there's going to be at least a spike on the stops, right? There's got to be some kind of spike. We got right to it. I took a piece out on the bottom chart. I don't know if you guys saw. Close, get out. That's enough. I did good enough on this account. Look at that, eh? Can you get closer without breaking through it?
What happened? Walk us through it. Sorry, guys. I still can't talk right.
Initial balance. Look how close we got. You know what? Maybe they're setting everyone up to say, holy shit, we didn't break it. Now everyone's thinking we can really put our stops there. And now they're going to blow through it. Let's test that theory. I can do it. It's an eval. So, short of 5 lot.
You're shorting into support? Hope you're scalping.
I am scalping, but I think we're going to break initial balance. I think they're setting people up to think it's going to hold, and then they're going to blow through it. I should put the 28. Let's put in a buy limit, because they're going to do it probably very fast. But like I said, whenever I do this, I get myself into trouble. I added in case you guys didn't notice. Let's go. Let's break initial balance. No, don't go back up. Go back down. I'm watching the Renkos. I don't have a way to put it up for you anymore. The faster Renkos.
And we're at a gap on the hourly. We have support. We have a gap. See if it holds or just blows through it.
There we go. I covered a little piece at profit. I got my 5 lot up 257. I got my take profit. I'm really surprised it didn't go faster than that. Really surprised it didn't go faster than that. I'm out. I really thought it would dump. I thought it would go 20 points in a flash in a second. I thought we were looking at jumping jack flash. Didn't work.
We're
out.
Down.
Okay, I mean it worked out, but it just didn't work out the way I predicted.
Down 290 points in the past hour and a half. What'd y'all do?
Did I like your video? Yes, I did.
Whose video? I don't even like my own.
Yours, your stream. Let's go click the. I do it with the other.
I didn't think we would need this line down here, so I drew it anyways. But looks like we do need it. Isn't that crazy when you draw something far away and you're like, we're not going to need that, but yeah, here we are.
You know what's the problem? My charts are way too busy.
OFT said he's going in a different direction.
Well, there's only 2, up or down.
I think he's talking about his channel.
Oh, I got you. What's the range? Wow, 30-point range, and still not a lot of continuation each time we change directions. What is it? 7? You go up 30 points. So we basically, whatever the range is on the 1 minute chart, that's the move up, then the move down, then the move up, then the move down. Sometimes it expands it by maybe double, but then it just goes back into bouncing up and down in that 30-point range, which is what's on the 1 minute candles. That's crazy. It's very rare you see that kind of action, but look how you can see it on the candlesticks. They're like so uniformly beside each other, as I said. And since the range is 30 points, so that's 30 points up, 30 points down. There are probably some traders who can really take advantage of this, like selling right about there. Not that I would do that. I think I need to wait and see that we get out of this area here, the initial balance, open up again. Let's get a bunch of traders saying, oh shit. You know, kind of like the last 2 minutes of an important game. The teams start playing really reckless. Everybody starts scrambling. Mistakes are made. Opportunities open up.
Who's reckless?
Oh, I'm saying that I wanted to get away from initial balance, the way we're trading there. You know, the candles are so uniformly beside each other. Everything is so structured. But I said, but once you break away, you're going to have a lot of players saying, oh, shit. Mm-hmm. Just like in a sports event, like in the last 2 minutes, when it's a really close game, it opens up. Mistakes are made. You know, everyone starts to play with quite a bit less structure.
All these wicks though, just wicks everywhere.
Yeah.
Definitely not the type of market I would like to be trading.
That's it. We didn't break away. Now we move back up at the 30 points. It's crazy. It's up 30, down 30, up 30, down 30. I mean, not exactly, but, you know, pretty close.
Hey, you watching my stream? Go look at the stream real quick.
I am on your stream.
Yeah.
Is that bunny ears on me? That's funny.
Okay. How to get some kind of laugh out of the day.
I'm more than deserving of that. I have so many memes of you. Or stick men and...
You see that picture I sent you in what was it, Discord? I don't remember where I sent it. I told Gemini, I was like, what can I do to make redesign the stream and make it look better? That's what it gave me.
Oh, yeah. Oh, well, you didn't read my comment then.
I think I read the comment. I don't know.
Yeah, I said the only thing it did, everything was good with your stream except your beard. It got rid of your beard.
Yeah, like got rid of my beard and put glasses on me.
Oh, I didn't notice.
I was like, are you serious? Like, this is your advice? That's kind of messed up, Gemini. I thought we were friends.
There we go. That was the move down.
I told Gemini, I said, you don't ever effing do that again. It's like, I'm sorry, I'll never do that again. Like, I'm not kidding.
It deleted your account.
Like, I'm not kidding. I'll never do that again.
Who's got a bigger screen? We're the same size.
Huh?
No, FT says someone's got a bigger screen. Our screens are the same size.
Is that code word for something?
I don't know. We're pretty much identical on my stream and on his stream. We've measured with atomic rulers. Omnius is a nitpicker. Hey, you have an extra pixel.
Omnius has a big screen. How do you know? You've been talking to my wife.
What's big? Maybe he's talking about your chart? I don't know.
No, I think he thinks that the chart above me is my chart. OFT, that's not my chart. It's all his charts.
I get you. Yeah. I get it. Yeah, we got 2 streams going. Yeah, that's funny. I see it. Yeah, we have 2 streams going. Hey, do exclamation mark. Oh. Let's see if that still works.
Maybe one day we'll figure out how to get each other's charts. Would be cool, be able to switch back and forth.
Let's see if exclamation mark O works. Count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It takes way too long. People think it's not working.
I don't even see it. I'm on top chat. What the heck? I sure wish they'd fix that. You didn't put it in.
Sure I did.
I don't see it.
Mark. Oh, Twisted Trading. Oh, I'm on your stream.
What? If you want to do it over there, you got to put FF.
Yeah, no, I'm on your stream. I'm on your stream. That was a mistake. There we go. I'm counting. I'm waiting.
It's Friday. Fun day Friday. I used to have a beach scene for Friday, but I don't think I got it anymore.
Okay. It's 3 seconds. Not so bad.
Where's my beach scene? I'll go back to this one. I ain't been on this one in a while. Really? You gonna mess my chart up? I guess I don't like my chart position no more. Do I still have the beach theme? There it is. You have a beach theme. that chart off. There we go. Look at that. The only thing I'm missing is a futures floor mic. What if turn this one? Turn this one. Why are you so small?
Where? Too many charts. I can't watch both streams. Hey, what'd you do? That's on you, not on me.
Discord. I'm trying to get my beach theme. You got it all messed up. Putting you looking at the wall. Putting you in the corner. Mess up my beach theme.
I'm sorry. You just put an idea in my head. Hold on a minute. Since we're being babies.
That means he didn't like the corner. My kids cry when I put him in the corner too. Chill, I'm getting you out the corner, okay?
Wait.
Listen, I need your opinion for this part. Are you fat enough?
There we go.
Told you I'm trying to get you out the corner. You gotta tell me if you're fat enough.
I'm fat enough.
We gotta get the fat part first.
Just don't transform, that's all.
I don't know how to do all that. What are you talking about? You have to transform.
I don't get that whole futures floor thing. Why is it not looking like that on my screen?
I gotta flip it. If you quit moving, this will be a lot easier. Just saying.
It's no good with it's no good with what do you call it? It's no good with a dark shirt.
All right. How's that? You fat enough?
I'm fat enough.
Mike does not like skinny Mike.
Edit undo.
All right. What do we got to do? Flip this one. There we go. How's that? Final result. You good?
Good. I'm good. Meantime, I probably missed a trade. No, short at 76.
Well, you should have been trading instead of messing up my beach theme.
Short at 76, and I can get a
Can I still hear you?
much better price.
Discord, I think I can still hear you.
76, I'm short at 84. That's beautiful. 90 is the stop.
I think so. Okay.
98 is not the stop. 90 is the stop. Let's go. Yes, 90 is the stop. Come on. Beautiful. This goes to 40 on the straggler, the one lot that's left. I'll take it out.
Mike Bam was asking if you streamed last night.
No, I didn't
On
stream
your
last
chat.
night. I don't think so. Maybe I did. I don't think so. I forget.
You don't know?
Isn't that sad? No, I didn't. I laid down the law with my family last night.
Uh-oh.
It was a leave me alone. Stop with everything, you know. And the first thing I did is when my wife came home, the first thing she said to me, I hope she's not on the thing. I've booked us for Friday. I said, just saying, I love you, but I can't breathe. You're booking every second of my life from morning till night. My dance card is full. And it's like instant and all the time. I said, I have things to do. I want to take care of, start making some videos. And I haven't done a video like since June or July. So what does she come back with instead of leaving me alone? Okay, we'll see how you feel tomorrow. I said That's no. Funny. I said no. And she didn't let go. I said, you're like a pit bull. You won't let go.
Hey, why is your picture bigger than mine?
My picture's not bigger than yours. We're identical. You want me to drop your screen over my screen and you'll see?
I'm talking about on mine.
Oh.
Do I need to make you smaller or me bigger?
I've measured them. I put yours on top of mine and we're identical in pixels. Maybe one has one extra pixel or two, but that doesn't matter.
Yeah. I'll go back to the other scene. Where?
Did you buy subscriber or did you ask your bingo friends to subscribe? I don't get that. I don't have bingo friends. Mike, did you stream last night? Yeah, no, I didn't stream. Now I remember. I wanted to.
Maybe that's what we need, some bingo friends.
And that's the thing. I got to make supper. I'm the supper guy here. And once I make supper, and then it's like, do this, do that. I have a short trade at 76. I'm going to try and get a better price. Come on. Don't go to 67. That's it. I'm done. Oh, well. Should have gotten in right away and then added. Yeah, I hear you. No. The thing is about the cat, you guys would think it's like a 100-pound cat. I think the metabolism on this cat runs at 700% what it's supposed to. Because no matter how much you feed him, no matter how much you eat, he looks undernourished. Not joking. Even the vet said it. Said, "Oh my God, your cat is so skinny." I said,
You're starving the cat.
We free feed him. He's got food all the time, whenever he wants. We don't feed him only in the morning and then once in the evening. They say it's no good to free feed a cat, actually, or free feed an animal, but
We do that to our dogs. They got food. They eat it when they want to.
Yeah.
We feed them in the morning. They eat it throughout the day. I think when you do that with animals, they just know it's there, so they don't eat it all at once. They just eat it when they want to.
Oh, it's true. We do that with our dog also. You're right. A big dog, I don't know if that'll work with.
I've had
a big dog. I think we'll go through a whole bag of food, a whole 100-pound bag of food in a sitting.
We don't give them a whole bag. I mean, you just give them
No,
their daily.
I'm just saying. But if you gave them the whole bag,
Just give them their daily amount. First thing in the morning, they'll eat it throughout the day as they want it.
Mm.
Unless you have dogs that are used to fighting for food.
Yeah, Sparky, I know you're there.
Now hold dump, not a single pullback. Was that too much to ask for? 330 points, not a pullback. Bam, I was looking at your picture that you put in the Discord. Your trade. Can't look at it on the computer because can't change Discord. I was looking on the phone. Nice trade. Looks like counter trend. Selling at the top. I'm assuming there was something on the 30-minute footprint telling you that was a good area. What was that, like 1 o'clock in the morning? Mike, was you trading at 1 o'clock in the morning?
No, I don't think so.
Maybe one day I'll get up at 1 o'clock in the morning and start streaming or something.
I was way undersleeped. That's a word.
I think I woke up at 3. Now you got Nightbot playing Deal Me In?
Hey, I don't discriminate. Everybody can play. Who wants to play? Let him play. Let her play. I'm curious. I want to try something.
I was looking, Ruin sent a picture on how to change the time. I didn't even see Bama's other picture. Yeah, so there it is. He was looking at the footprint chart on where to take the short. If you have lag in Ninja Trader, this can help. I'll have to try it out. Have to try it out later. I don't know how the Ninja Trader stuff works. Sometimes I think it's off, sometimes it might not. We got Trump speaks at 4 o'clock. That wasn't there before, was it?
I have no idea.
Trump makes an announcement. Trump signs executive order. Anybody trading in the afternoon session today, keep in mind, there's going to be some Trump stuff going on. Apparently speaking at 4, executive order at 2, something at 12. Yeah, that wasn't there earlier.
There it is. What the hell?
Sorry, guys.
Okay, just a quick, I don't know, I can't call it an update, but I've just took my first trade based on a different strategy. I'm going to be trying to hold longer. My first take profit is going to be about 15 points on just a 1 lot. Right now, we're kind of forward testing this idea, so I shorted a 2 lot. I have a 15-point stop loss in either direction, and I'm letting the bands run the trade. There we go. I don't know if you heard that. Oh, you didn't hear that. The cash rest. There we go. We got the first 15. So this trade right now is showing a break even, but I'm going to remove the stop because I want to let it run. And then I'll come back in a bit and I'll let you know how it did. I think I can continue the video. We'll see.
TikToking over there again?
Oh. I'm making a video for YouTube, a short, and I'm taking a longer term trade on my Renko chart, but you can see it on the 1 minute chart, but I took it off the Renkos. I can't show it to you because it's the faster Renkos. Oh, I do have the faster Renkos up. What am I saying? I just got to click 2 screens. That's 1 and that's 2. Now you have the faster Renkos. There you go. So off the band bounce there. So what I did is I showed myself taking it, and now I'm updating. So now I'm going to update again. I want to see if I could keep adding to my video, making it a little bit.
Man, this day's just getting nasty, isn't it? Look at this. Almost the same spot. Another similar nasty day. Right there. Anybody looking at it? Almost from the same location.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I can keep adding to my video, no?
I don't know.
Yeah, I can. It's letting me.
We like pause it.
Yeah, you just pause it, hold your phone, and I updated at 50 points. I updated when I won. When I have a meeting with Google at 11:30, so I'll be leaving early today.
Fancy.
Fancy.
Yeah, I'm pointing out that back in July was around the same area. and had a big drop. And actually, the one back in August a few weeks ago was kind of a similar area.
I'm back.
So what's our next target? This is just dumping.
Our next target.
I think that's what I was looking at the first time.
Omnius wants to know our next target. Our next target is 499. That's what I want. I want 100 points on this. Guys, check out our live stream every day, 9:15 a.m. I co-stream with the Omnius Trades.
This might go all the way to the 444.
This might go all the way to the 444. I don't even know what that means.
23,444.
Okay. Ah, okay. You put in the word "the," so that threw me off.
A? I was supposed to say
Hey,
A.
hey. I don't know, guys.
Let's go all the way to the 444, eh?
This can go all the way to the 444, but you know what? We're just hoping for 499, and I think we're gonna get it quite soon. I got my finger on the close button. We were dumping there. Ah, shit. We got all the way down to 525. Oh well. I'm almost out of 3 minutes. Making it a it's gonna be a 3-minute short. I have looks like I got 30 seconds left. I don't even know if my mic is on. Yeah, my mic is on.
No, you're muted. Go turn it on.
No, it's on.
Hey, you're muted. Chat, tell him he's muted.
You know what? For my first try, I shorted at 599. It's at 529 right now, 528. That's 70 points. I'm taking it. I closed the trade. 70 points for your first attempt, for your first swing at the bats. I don't even care if it goes to... I forgot how my phone works.
Did you say you don't care if it goes to just like pause. I'm like, did the mic cut out or what? Like, it just paused like mid-sentence.
It stopped going. I think I hit my 3-minute limit.
At least throw in the A. I don't care if it stops at the A.
I don't know if I ran out of time, guys. I don't even care if it goes to 499. I got it. I got it. I got it. Sorry for the pause. I thought my phone wasn't working. Omnius is screaming in my ears here. I don't know what's wrong with him today. Check out our live stream daily, 9:15 a.m.
Hey, gotta put the A. Hey?
Hey!
Hey?
Where are you? I got some more time
Guys.
left here. Hey, hit me with an A. Hurry, you got a second.
Hey?
There we go.
Catch us for the live stream, eh?
Hey,
Are you Canadian or not?
fuck off. I'm posting it right now.
Hey?
Text. First swing at the bat. 70-point banger. Ooh, that doesn't look like 70. It looks like 10.
Is that really 70 points?
Yeah, it was 70 points.
100-point move? 122-point move. Oh, wow. Feel sorry for anybody trying to catch the bottom today.
Mm.
click on YouTube and a bunch of naked girls in body paint. And you're like, YouTube don't show that stuff.
First, what do I want to say? Yeah, you're still on. Okay. Give me a title for this.
Title?
Yeah.
Hey?
Hey? First trade, comma, big trade, comma, eh?
Eh? I don't know. I'm not seeing the video.
Oh, I haven't put it up yet.
Look, I'm watching girls in body paint. What are you doing?
Upload. There we go.
Oh, what? They got 4K?
That was fun. Oh, wait a minute. Can we go the other way? We can. Theoretically. Buy the bid. There we go.
I always thought I kind of had the wrong job in life. Like, you remember
Should have been
career
a body painter, professional body painter.
You remember career day in school? Like, nobody ever said you could be a professional body painter for models.
Yeah.
I mean, what a job, right?
Uh-huh. Well, first you got to start out painting homes.
You think they start out painting homes?
Yeah, on the outside, on the hot sunny days. Then you get to go on the inside when it's air conditioned. And eventually, some owners, their husband's not home, and they said, "Would that work on me?" And that's how you discover that it does. Can I do another one?
They got full nudity. Girls got like a stripe over her titty.
Mm. Hey, stop me out. No fair. I guess they can't all be winners, eh?
You think if I played this video on loop on a live stream, it'd get viewers?
It might. It might get you a copyright strike. Remember the image? I got a copyright strike for the image of the band. Remember I put up there
what?
That hard rock band you told me? You don't remember? What was the name of that band? It wasn't Nirvana or something. It was like a really...
Metallica? Metallica, we'll see. They've been known for that stuff.
No, it was one of those less known killer metal bands.
Pantera?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, they're not less known. Pantera's known.
They're less known than Metallica.
Well, everybody's less known than Metallica. I mean,
I'm sure if you look at their income statement, they don't have the same numbers.
Each member of Metallica is worth like $500 million.
Wow.
I mean, that's like saying that they don't have the numbers that Ozzy has or the Beatles or something.
Mm.
Any big plans for the weekend?
Yeah, quiet. Work on a couple of videos.
What kind of videos?
Well, I'm gonna update that video with the girl in the t-shirt. Put in a disclaimer. Change it a little bit so it doesn't show a profit graph. You know, all the rules that they said that I shouldn't be doing.
Mm-hmm.
And see what happens with that.
Hey, make me
Inside.
one. Mine's not doing very well.
Yeah, I'll do you one. It'll be
Kinda.
really quick.
Kind of upset about the whole thing.
Yeah. Can I use your blonde girl for you for the beginning?
Apparently, it's not working for me.
No. For your video, use Blondie Blonde.
I'm saying it's not working.
Yeah. Okay. How about that girl in?
I mean, whatever you think. Whatever.
Yeah. Okay. We'll try a couple ideas. Change swapping out the first image just takes 2 seconds, anyways. Other than that, I'm gonna work on the format for my Twisted Trader style videos. I don't know what I want to do yet exactly. I mean, I showed you something last night, you know. But I wanted to try and create some motion video also, but it's too hard because you gotta take the last frame, make it a minute, an image, and then continue from there. And you know, I just don't want to make it an 8-hour job for an 8-minute video, because I want to try and post every day on that channel and see how it goes. So I don't know. I'm gonna just be playing around with formats and seeing what I like and what works. And you know, the one I sent you, I liked it, but it doesn't work. It doesn't work for mass production. It's going to be too long. Yours, the 2 that I sent you. The Twisted Trader guy, you know. The guy
I know what you're saying, but
sorry. Well, the motion video makes it difficult because you don't get continuity. I go to the next scene, you know, it ended with him on the back of the chair with his arm around the guy. You can't you can't cut to him being somewhere else now, you know. So it wouldn't make sense. So if you're gonna make movie, people expect continuation of the scene, and that's just gonna get impossible. Actually,
I agree.
It's too bad. I want to do it, and I'm stubborn, and I'm thinking, and my brain is telling me, you just clip that last picture, but. Like you said, Gemini isn't always cooperative. So even if you give it the last image and you say, now change the angle, make it a red chart, it screws things around. It even changes your characters, and you got to fight with it sometimes. I don't want to fight with it. See, the way after that, those 2 that I showed you later, you know, that took a half an hour each, you don't have to fight with that. There's no fighting. The only reason that you'll be fighting is if the words are spelled wrong and you want to fix it. But there's no fighting. Every now and then I change the prompt a little bit to make the image, but it's you know, it's cookie cutter. It goes out quickly. Quickly is such a subjective word. It's not quickly. It's still a lot of work. Quickly would be 10 minutes for the whole 8-minute video, but
yeah, videos do take a lot of work.
A lot of work. It's insane. But if I can make it down to a half an hour per minute, or 15 minutes per minute, or 20 minutes per minute, of video, like 20 minutes per minute of video, that would be good. Like I said, you break it up. You come up with a video every 2 minutes, every 2 days. You work 2 hours. Maybe you wake up early in the morning or in the afternoon, you work 2 hours, and you work 2 hours the next day, and you got your video. You got your 8-10 minute video. And the other ones that are quick, also, you know, if there's updates in the prop space, you just get in front of the camera and talk about it. That's there. You're not investing an hour or a half an hour per minute of video. You just do one take. Keep it in the mistakes. Who cares?
Let's talk about it. What's the updates?
I don't have any.
No.
I'm not in the loop. My family's taking me out of the loop of everything completely.
Listen, man, the family's got to come first.
I'm hoping to get back in the loop.
Are you still going to stream when Mike leaves early? Mike, you leaving early?
I am. I forgot. Holy shit, I got to leave now. I told you I have an appointment. What time was it? I already forgot. If you guys didn't remind me, I would have forgotten. Okay, let me close up here. Shit. Damn.
Wait. 2 seconds. Bulenox.
I got that.
Bulenox, 83% off. Anybody that wants 83% off Bulenox, codes, links in the description.
Cancel
capital?
all
I don't want
orders.
capital. Lowercase.
Positions. Flatten everything. Cancel all orders. So nobody tell me No firm tell me you didn't cancel all orders. Flatten everything. I'm clicking them right here. It's not on film, but I'm clicking them. Cancel all orders. This is the third time. I should not have any orders. Positions. I have nothing in positions. Goodbye. I'm closing my...
Ruin said he's not a bad reminder. You tell Ruin thank you for reminding you.
Yeah, thank you, Ruin, for reminding me.
This weekend is a full moon. I didn't know that either.
Oh, okay. I will check it out. Yeah. Theory is that Bitcoin rallies a couple days before or a couple days after.
I might hang out for a few minutes if y'all want to hang out for a little bit. What was it, 11? I might hang out for another 20 minutes or so. Yeah. Mike, set your code for Bulenox. Once again, everybody, Bulenox 83% off for anybody interested.
Yeah, it doesn't take me long actually. I created templates for all that stuff, so it goes very quickly now. What you're talking about with the Bulenox when they change the code.
Templates?
Okay. Templates. Yep, I would have showed you, but I gotta go.
All right,
I gotta go. I missed my last meeting. Remember with the time thing?
All right.
When it was Central European time as opposed to Central time.
You're rambling.
I like to ramble. All
right.
Goodbye, everyone.
Listen, I'm gonna go take a break for a second. I'll be right back.
Wait a minute. Just before, check your TikTok messages. If I catch you on TikTok, maybe we'll jump in on. If I have anything interesting to tell you, I'll tell you to jump into Discord and I'll let you know.
All right, guys. I'm gonna take a quick break. Mike, you sign off. I'll be right back in a few minutes, guys.
I'll be streaming Monday morning with Omnius, 9:15 or earlier, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Where's my camera? Right there. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate it. We don't say it often enough, but we really do appreciate when you guys hang out with us. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you next Monday, 9:15 or earlier. Take care. Do well. Trade safe.
All right, I'm back. Mike, you still there?
I'm still here. I'm changing my description.
Oh.
I don't even know. Okay, but I'll, yeah, thanks for reminding me, Ruan. Goodbye.
Mike, have a good weekend. Sorry, guys, my throat's still messed up. Turn that off real quick. There we go. One day I gotta get my picture set up. All right, Ruin, I see you there. What we're talking about? Haven't had a chance to read any of it. Are you still streaming? Also, let's see the full moon this weekend. Mike's chat doesn't work again. Why does this chat not work? What do you mean the chat's not working? Ruin, do you have it on live chat? YouTube defaults the top chat. It's stupid. I don't think anybody likes it. I don't know why they do it. So always make sure at the top you click on live chat. That's the only thing I can think of. I'll BRB as well. I'll be right back. I got you. We might not even be back yet. What y'all want to talk about? Skeletor, you still there? You working? In a meeting. We're getting a nice push, ain't we? It's the first bullish movement we've seen since this morning. Pushed up, broke above a gap. Testing out this support turn resistance. See if we can get above it. Skeletor, I'm still here, working some tickets and trying to recover from an early loss. I wish I could tell you how to recover. I would think we're going long, right? A drilling tool. Nice round right there. Broke above this gap here. Testing the support turn resistance. See if we can get back above it. Hopefully it wasn't too big of a loss. See what our hourly looks like. That was a brutal drop. 400 points. Yeah, I kind of knew it was Friday. Going to be some weird behavior in the market. Been a good week. I didn't want to risk too much on the Friday. Actually, I think I've been green every day this week. My calendar at. So yeah, Monday was a holiday. I've been green every day this week. What we like to see. Could see this maybe come back up. The open's at about the 50% retracement. Could see it come back maybe to the open. Don't know if they got that much buyers in there. Also, I think there's going to be Trump stuff going on all afternoon. So if you are trading in the afternoon, be careful. All it takes is Trump saying something to send the market crazy. I don't know if y'all like these EMAs or not. That kind of can clutter the chart a bit. I'm so used to looking at it, don't bother me. But add the EMAs in there. And everything together kind of builds a direction. We go back, we can look at a few days. Back to this one. I think yesterday we looked at the previous day back there. We can look at it real quick, don't matter. Minimize some of this stuff. You see how it works together, kind of builds a picture of the market. Drops down, it's red. Zoom in a little bit more. It's good with me. What's good with you? Sorry, might have said something and forgot it. Talking about the trade or a win, a loss? Your chart. Oh, okay, yeah. I literally just said that, huh? I think something different. Yeah, it kind of helps build a picture of what the market's, what's going on. So see, this was what, Tuesday. Came in, market dropped down. Been seeing that a lot lately. Been talking about it. Pushed up. Background's blue. The momentum indicators blue. The EMAs. So these two here, if we get rid of this one, these here are EMAs. I think it was 12 and 26. Yeah, 12 and 26. I don't think it really matters what they are. The lower you make the number, the quicker they're going to be. The higher, the slower it's going to be. But if you make it quicker, it's going to be more false moves. Plus the EMAs, they have a volume indicator. So they come with this volume indicator here. I think it works way better than the other volume indicators I've tried. If anybody wants that, it's on TradingView. It's called Volume Delta. That's probably the only one I have that's not a custom code. You can see here with this triangle, it's telling you that the EMA is crossed, and the triangle is telling you they're crossed with volume. So then if we take that and we add it with the, turn this off real quick. We add it with the momentum indicator. You can see the EMAs are telling us we go long. Momentum indicators telling us we go long. If we turn that off, we can see we're above the momentum lines. Here we're below them. So they all kind of come together to create a picture. Turn that on. Plus, I kind of think the colors they use for the EMAs, I think it looks cool. So, the momentum indicators saying we're long, the EMAs are saying we're long, and then if we add in the background here, once again, also saying that we're long. So we have all kinds of confluences telling us we're looking for longs. Then we want to see some kind of a pullback, maybe pull back to the EMAs or the momentum line. Try to get in and go from there. So we can see how this whole area here, I have it marked out. All you had to do was buy. All you're looking for is buys. So if you get in anywhere here, could you have made money? If we go here, we're looking for shorts. Everything's showing shorts. Kind of hard to see, but if you look right there, you can see the triangle again showing that we've crossed over with volume. It's all messed up. So it's all switching over to shorts. It's on 2-minute chart. We can see here. All we had to do was go with the chart, shorten. Normally I look for a pullback. I would say right here was probably the best spot. Then we see an inverse candle. We got our pullback. Even draw a trend line there if we wanted. Got the inverse hammer. Go short. Then once again, we're switching back over to longs. Right here, it took it a little bit. Kind of going sideways. Of course, you want to stay out of that. You see the momentum line right there, still red. So you want to stay out of it, unless you see a really good setup. Once again, we got the break. EMA's changed, momentum line changed. Even had the triangle. We don't have to have the triangle, but it's kind of an added bonus. And all you had to do was go along. Here we can see sideways. Maybe you went short, maybe it stopped you out. Who knows? Try to stay out of sideways markets. And then we'll go long again. And the chart basically called everything except for maybe the sideways there. If we go to the next day, shorts. Once again, you're looking for a pullback. You don't want to get in. You don't want breakouts and stuff. Let's come up here. Right here might have gotten you. Not everything's going to be 100%. So, had that not have got you, you pull up, pull back, get in, push up from there. Go on the shorts. Get a crossover here. Goes down. Right here is going for buys. You can see the EMAs did not cross over, so we were not looking for buys. Here, shorts, you could have went short right there. If you let it come up and took a short, then you might have got stopped out. Not a big deal. Here he's looking for longs. I actually took a long right there and went against me. So that was one that got me yesterday. Or Wednesday. I'm skipping a day. Wednesday. Immediately we come right over here and we see it went short with the volume. Jumped in, wrote it down to there. Easy money. Made back all my losses plus. And of course we had some longs coming out of it. And then what was yesterday? I didn't do that one. But here we're looking for buys. We can see sideways. Majority of this is sideways, so of course we want to be cautious or stay out. Here we're looking for shorts. Nice push up to the EMAs. Great spot. Get short, write it down. Looking for longs, just buying the pullbacks, riding them up. Might have got stuck there. You didn't really get below the momentum line, so you really shouldn't have been in. Once again, long again, buying pullbacks. Nice, easy day. Then to today. Everybody was looking for longs. See the background still red. Not really looking. Kind of went black, but if you look down at the bottom here on the RSI, you can see it's red. And then it's just short. No pullbacks. I think this was the only pullback. And here we are, breaking above, looking for longs again. So let's see if we can get longs, push up to the Bulenox open. Ruin, you still there? You can talk about your moon indicator. Ruin, I was thinking, you're in South Africa, right? So if it's a full moon for you, is it still a full moon for me in Florida? I don't know. It's just called moon phases. So it's a full moon for all of us, September 7th. Yeah, I've seen the indicator before, the moon phases in TradingView, yeah. Let's take a look. Why not? Let's see. What am I looking for? This one. Yeah, let's see if we can find it. Called moon phases. Yeah, looks like I got a strategy for it saved. Let's try it. Lux Algo. Everybody likes Lux Algo. Is that the indicator? Yep, it's that one. It's not mine. But it's not working on a smaller time frame Skeletor. You talking about the moon phases? Did I get the right one? What do I got drawing? All right, I got something. This one? There we go. Let's try that setup. This is not the one, just moon phases. Well, it should be the same, right? Or no? Oh, it turned off, huh? All right, let's try the one you're talking about. You just want me to type it in again. All right, what we got? We got daily, weekly. Do you know who it's by? You see it on the screen? Go up. The second one, this one, moon phases. All right, there we go. And then to the daily, I assume. You like the daily or the weekly? One of my favorite charts is the 10-day chart. So go to a higher. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the one of my favorite charts, the 10-day chart. Actually, if I switch over here, you'll see the 10-day chart. I reference a lot of stocks. Why is my delta indicator not working? I don't know. Okay. Doesn't matter time frame. Shows you full moon. Whatever moons you select. Whatever moons you select. What do you select? What are these drawings? There we go. I'm assuming it's moon phases. So, waning moon, waxing moon. So is that going... So the one's going from a new moon to a full moon, right? And the other is from a full moon to a new moon. Try one day. Okay. And the white moon is below the full moon. So the blue's the full moon? No, the white moon below is the full moon. Okay, so the white's the full moon. Then I guess the blue would be the no moon. Then you're just playing through the cycles. So Ruin, do you buy on new moons? Or full moons, I mean? Need a moving average. I don't know why that's not working. I feel like that's a bit too aggressive for this. There it is, it's working now. Yes, I'm in now on Bitcoin. Take profit on full moon. You go short, or you bought to go take profit? Remember, it's only once a month. Not worried about the others. Are you on Discord now? Am I on Discord? That's a good question. I am on Discord. Looks like Mike's on there. Let's check in with. I don't think I was supposed to be in that. Sorry about that, Mike. I didn't hear anything of importance. Are you on Discord now? Yes, Ruin. I'm on Discord. Ruin, you on my Discord or are you on Mike's Discord? If you want, you can go to mine, general chat. Would say we could go to Mike's, but I think he's on a call or something. Hey, Ruin, if you want to chat for a little bit, we can go to Mike's Discord and go to the public chat if you want to. I got mine, but I don't really have it set up. If you want to chat, if not, show us pictures or something. If you want to post some pictures, you can just, yeah, we can. All right, go to futures floor, and then we'll go to. You can chat on mine. If you want a voice chat, I have it set up, but I don't have any of the volumes or anything Plus, I'd have to have the switch over to links, all that. If you just want to use futures floor, it's fine. We can use the live on stream. I see Skeletor. Go join him. Sure, you pick. Yeah, let's go to futures floor. Go to the live on stream. Go and click on that. Join voice. What the? Sorry. Sorry, Mike. I'm not trying to talk to you. You in a conversation or what? I really wasn't trying to talk to you. I was trying to talk to Ruin and Skeletor. It just keeps kicking me over to you. Do you want to chat? I'm still live. You want me to join you, or what's up? I really wasn't trying to talk to you. I was trying to talk to Skeletor and Ruin. All right. I don't know why it keeps kicking me to the private. I'm keep trying to join the public. All right, guys, can you hear me? What? Oh my. All right, I can't do it, guys. Can we do the other one? Let's try the other one. Hey guys, can you hear? Am I there now? Oh man, I feel so bad. It keeps kicking me over to Mike's conversation. And he's in a meeting on a private one. It keeps kicking me over. And he's like, "You again?" I'm like, "Dude, I'm not clicking that one." So sorry, Mike. I kept clicking over. That's why I kept clicking back and forth. I'm like, I don't know. All right, we're here now. Hopefully it don't kick me back over to him. Maybe he blocked me. Like, why'd you block me? Well, you kept cutting in on my conversation. Did say that I was in a meeting. Sorry. Yeah, I think for stocks also, I think. So you accumulate to invest in it, right? Or at least to like swing trade.
Prediction of the collapse, and I agree with him with that conversation the other day. For next year, collapse, stocks, gold, everything, crypto, big time, big collapse.
I think but it was I think it was Joker that was saying big collapse or something next year. Is that what you're talking about?
Yes. Okay, it was Joker. Yeah, he was there with us. Yeah, so that's basically just, this is one of the things that I do. I designed another indicator that tells me when to sell on the 4 hours, and then I usually wait for a $2,000 drop, and then I buy in, irrespective if it drops 10 or 20,000. But basically the full moon, it's like 80% thing 2 days before it, or 2 days after it. So if you see there's a kind of an inverse little head and shoulder forming that can push us up to say 115 there at the moment.
So you're-
115, 118.
So you're looking right here with the kind of the inverse? Is that what you're talking about? Or are you talking
Yeah,
about bigger?
that's forming. Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
So you're
that
looking
one.
for that to kind of accumulate, right?
Well, basically, what I did now, I'm in a leverage trade for longing it, which is just for the full moon pump. Very tight stop loss, of course, and at the end of the day, it can only happen in the next, well, let's say in the next 4 days. Once again, September is the worst month, but with the full moons cycles, I've been doing it for many years, and it works really good. It used to be on full moon when the pump was, but recently for the past year or so, I was buying. Then I buy it 2 days before the full moon, and then I'll hold it and I'll see depending on when my profit is.
You can kind of
So
see
you see
around
now-
every full moon it's pushing. So yeah, if you bought,
Yeah,
I mean, let's just go back a little bit and count them, right? So just start randomly. I guess this one would have dropped. So if we start here, or even start here, start on a good note, right? So we'll start here. Draw us a line. So then full moon, accumulate, push up, and then maybe sell out of some. Is that what you're saying? You're saying you accumulate, but then
well, the full moons I trade, right?
Yeah.
The accumulation that we do to get more coins with all the crypto. We work in time cycles, like let's say October, November, and December. Well, I would say October and November, and this is all based on historical patterns, right? And the thing is, it's always been the same. Well, always. It's only been around for 13 years or whatever. But your bull markets and your bear markets time cycles are the
Right.
same. So the best time, of course, to be accumulating Bitcoin again will be at the end of the bear market. We'll see. But I think we will see
yeah, I'm
Bitcoin,
looking.
because remember we went 69 and then we dropped to 14.
Yeah, I'm
So we're
looking
gonna
for
have
I'm looking for the bear market to drop at least 50%. I want to see it around 50,000 or maybe lower.
Yeah.
Start accumulating more.
Yeah, definitely.
But looking at the full moons here, yeah, if you get in, start accumulating, get a position, average it in, I guess, and then pushes up. This one here
Yeah,
would probably
basically-
just be give it a little bit of tight
Yeah.
loss, probably get out. Here you're accumulating in a few days before, goes up. This one goes up. So we count what? 1 loss, 3 wins. Here, a few days before, goes up 4. Here goes up 5. Here pushes up 6. You get in a few days before, pushes up 7, 8. This one, either way, call it a loss just to give it. Why not? Here, get in, pushes up. That's what, 9, 10, 11. This one, maybe a loss. So that's what, 2 or 3. Here, 12, 13. So 13 wins to 2 or 3 losses. That's pretty good.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
I don't think anybody can argue against that.
No, there's lots of people that trades it in the crypto space.
Yeah.
It's a common thing, put it that way.
I remember years ago, everybody was like laughing at it and they're like, that's so silly. And then
I know.
people started looking at it and they're like, that's crazy.
Yeah,
And it is.
especially me coming from a big Christian country. People,
Yeah.
It's very frowned upon once you look at anything with a moon and stars, you know.
Yeah.
But maybe if you change Bitcoin to stocks, let's say S&P or Nasdaq, I don't have my trading view on now with the cycles. If you can just check what it looks like with the moons on that.
Here's
'Cause
the
I
one
think
that
there is some,
here's the one that I invest in. Why this? I didn't mean for that to put the background on. So here's the one that I do. I talked about on stream a few times. I don't know. It's a Bitcoin ETF,
yeah,
and it's more of like a buy right strategy, but it's got a 56% dividend right now. And it's always been that high. So I have the dividends. It's actually in a IRA, so it just keeps buying more and more and more of them.
yeah.
And I bought in, it like went up thousands of dollars. I sold out of most of it. Then it went up again, thousands of dollars, sold out of most of it. And finally I'm like, I'm just going to let it go. Just keep giving me more and more shares. And
That's right.
I feel like if Bitcoin takes another dive, got to the 10-day. I like the 10-day. So if Bitcoin takes that dive, and if I can hold through it, the amount of shares that I should get, and then pushes back up, should be quite a bit of money.
Yeah, definitely.
But I'm not too knowledgeable about the buy right strategies, but I know so far I've got this one and I've already made a lot of money out of it. So all I gotta do is hold it. If I can,
Yeah,
that's the hard
yeah.
part, right?
Yeah.
The
No,
hard part is to
definitely.
look at thousands of dollars of unrealized gain and say, I don't want to lose it.
Exactly. No, that is or when it goes up a lot and then you say, no, I wonder why I didn't take out.
Yeah.
But what I do is just I take profit as we go up, and I've got a lot of altcoins. My biggest holding is XRP.
Oh, yeah.
I started accumulating that from 30 cents, and I think that it's gonna explode. It's a sleeping giant, if you ask me.
I had a bunch of
because-
those coins, but I had them in Weeble. Are you familiar with Weeble? And
No.
it's another site. But when
Like a
everything
wallet.
happened with that one crypto coin going under and it was all scam and stuff, like everybody got scared and they sold me out
Luna.
of what's that?
Luna.
It was a Luna, yeah.
Yeah.
And they
Yeah.
sold me out of like most of my coins, and they went to where like they was only going to provide like a handful of coins. So they sold me out of all those other ones, and right now they're all like super nice. I'm like, yeah, thanks for selling me out of what could have been a lot of money.
Aye.
And I never really bought back into it. So I guess I'd have to
Yeah,
agree with
that's
people.
right, yeah.
If you don't have the wallet, they're not really your coins.
Exactly.
But I think I'm looking, I'd like to see it around the 50,000 area. We got a lot of accumulation there, 60, 50. And as you know, Bitcoin, it goes through cycles, these large cycles. You can clearly see right now we're at the top of a cycle. So it could push up again. Maybe.
I think the crypto that Omnius was telling was FTX.
That's the exchange.
Now they changed, the
Yeah, one of
I
them.
think,
Yeah, the guy. I think the guy went to prison and everything, right?
yeah, that's it's not Luna, it's the change, the FTX.
All right.
Yes.
I think you're right.
Sam Bankman.
Yeah, it was like a few years ago. Yeah. Yeah, big scan.
2022, something like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
His name was Sam Bankman-Fried.
Yeah. That's him. And
Yeah.
Weeble sold.
I know
sold
about
out of,
the Luna stuff too. So
Yeah, Weeble
That's
sold
correct.
out of most of my crypto coins. They kept Bitcoin, they kept Ethereum. It's funny because they kept Shiba Inu, but then sold all the other ones. And Dogecoin. They kept Shiba Inu, they kept Dogecoin, they kept Bitcoin, they kept Ethereum, and like sold everything else.
Wow.
They even
Wow.
split their site in two, to where it was stocks, crypto, and everything, and then they split it in two to where like the crypto was a whole different thing. So It kind of screwed me out of a lot of crypto there.
Yeah. But I will, yeah. I think the last push will, as it usually happens, will be the last one will be the big one. If we don't get pushed into a super cycle, and then it's downhill again.
Well, what do you think about right here? I don't know if you're looking at the screen, but then
Yes, I am.
Bitcoin pushes up, drops down, pushes up, breaks right above it, and then that's where you get the big drop. So if we look at that,
You see,
from that, go ahead.
yeah, double top.
Yeah.
They're not expecting this time, as far as I know. We'll see what happens, because if you see in 2017, it was a blow-off top. So we'll see what's going to happen now. Prediction shows, say, 150, but then there's other people saying 250, 300,000.
Well, I remember they were saying 100,000. Everyone's like, no way, it'll never happen. Here we are.
Oh, yeah. But for this bull market, for in this year still,
Yeah.
I think 150 around there, and then. But as I say, there's some people that say 250, 300.
Yeah, I've been hearing
what
it.
the dollar does. Yeah.
What do you think about this here?
Dollar...
Pushes up, comes down, kind of what I was showing you back there, and pushes up. Now it's coming back. So it's kind of broke that top. Now it's coming back down into it. So I wonder if it's possible there, could drop from there. Or like you're saying, maybe the 150. Also, if we draw a measured move, how would that look? So that kind of puts us a little bit higher than the measured move. I don't know. I'm not trying to buy too much of it at these prices.
No, rather wait.
Yeah. only if you're doing like what you said, maybe doing the moon schedule or something. You're just looking for a little swing trade.
Exactly. Exactly. Because I'm not doing it on the futures market. I mean, even though you can just do it on the futures market, the micro Bitcoin, it's too expensive for me. It's too high risk, and you can't leave it in for a couple of days. I don't know.
I've never even looked at the Bitcoin futures. I know some people trade them. I don't know. When it comes to futures, I mainly just trade the NQ.
Yeah, Mike trades.
Oh, yeah?
Or he started looking at Bitcoin.
Yeah, everybody tells me.
Always on the stream as well.
Everybody tells me to look at it. Oh, even Ethereum, you can look at Ethereum and you can see where it normally goes up around the full moon.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's interesting. Kind of show. I think what I get out of it is it kind of shows you that the market goes in cycles.
Yeah, exactly.
Skeletor, are you still there? Are you looking for a drop in Bitcoin? Or are you looking for it to go up? What are you thinking? He might be in a meeting. He goes in and out of meetings.
Oh, okay.
Is he still there? Yeah, he's probably in a meeting.
Yeah.
So? Oh yeah, I know you're here. I was talking about Skeletor.
Hey.
There he is.
I don't know. I don't even check. I want to start like buying for accumulating, not for trading.
Bitcoin?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah,
but it's,
I want to
it's scary to start accumulating here. Like if I zoom out on this chart, just look at the chart, like we're way up in the sky.
Yeah, wait for the bear market.
I have to draw some
the
clouds up here or
market
something.
It's like if you look at the previous bull markets, usually there's a drop. I think about 80%, if not more. a lot big drop if you look at it going all the way down.
Yeah, the last one was 78%.
Yeah.
And if we go to one before that, that's just scary. Nobody can handle that. Yeah, the other one was 84.
Yeah.
I feel like there's got to be some kind of a pullback. I don't know if it's going to drop 80% like it has before, because more people are involved with it now. Like now you have countries and stuff involved with it, and different businesses and stuff. So
True, it's true, but still, supply and demand is getting less, getting more expensive to mine.
Yeah.
So yeah, the miners mine at the end before the halving. They mine at a loss. You know, then they have to wait before they can sell Bitcoin to make profits to pay for it.
Oh
I
wow.
think there's only like 1 million left
Yes, exactly.
available to buy. That's it.
Yeah, and the last ones will not be mined in our lifetime. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how all that works. I'm not up on all
I
that.
think it will be like in 100 years, something like that. It will be the last mine.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. So eventually, if you've got time to wait, if there's no end game with it, it's going to keep on going up. But if I can recommend it, will be buy in the bear market, unless you want to catch this last bump till the end of the year. Buy, but you're going to have to sell out. If you want to be wise, wait for the bear market. We go in a bear market for 1 year, and then the people start accumulating again, or dollar cost average on the way down. Yeah, which is next year. It's 4-year cycles.
Yeah. So you think next year's going to be the drop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I could stomach buying in here and taking a 50-60% loss. But
Yeah.
I mean, if you're going in slowly, I guess real slowly, I guess maybe. But
yeah, if you buy on spot, dollar cost average in when you go down.
that's the good thing about the ETF I got, the BITO, is it's going to keep buying me more shares, and I have it in an IRA, so I don't have to pay any kind of like taxes or anything on it. So it does everything. I don't have to do anything, and it's just gonna So what I'm looking for is as it's going down, it's just gonna keep buying more and more and more shares.
That's right.
And then if it gets down to around 60,000, 50,000, then I might start investing more, maybe even buying some Bitcoin itself. That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah. Yeah, but get yourself a cold storage wallet. I would not recommend you to leave it on an exchange. We just use the exchanges these days for basically for trading, but the coins that you buy and hold, put it on a cold storage. I've got one, a ledger, which is quite good, and I bought another one which is called Tangem. It actually got a ring with a chip in. So your cold storage is literally you have it on your finger, you tap it on your phone if you want to do a transaction.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna go that route. I invest with some of the large firms. So what I'd probably do is look for some of the ETFs. That's just not the one I got now, but just a straight Bitcoin ETF. And I would probably just add that to my portfolio. And then as it's going down, I'd probably accumulate more and more of that in my larger portfolio. Because even a wallet you can lose, and people forget their numbers and stuff, and I don't know.
Yeah, anything can happen. It's got true. If you forget your numbers, your coins are gone. But Tangem doesn't have the 24 word passphrase. That one with the ring, it comes with two cards. The cards that looks like credit cards. The one is that those words basically saved on, but so those words never ever get shown on a screen, basically. Because the problem with AI now is it scans, because you know what people do is they take a picture and they save it to their email or they save it to their phone, that 24 words.
Yep.
And if AI scans around, that is starting to happen now. That the hackers get those, if they've got that 24 words, they just upload it onto any new wallet and your crypto is gone.
Yeah, I had
So
a lady.
that's the nice.
I had a lady at the bank one time tell me, "Don't ever give any of your cards to anybody." It's like if you go to a restaurant or something, don't just give the waitress your card. You know.
Yeah.
Go to check out yourself. Like don't ever let your card leave your sight. Because all it takes is somebody pulling out a phone and taking a picture.
Exactly, and you can buy on what's it, on eBay and all those places, those little scanners that you put inside the palm of your hand, and it just scans the chip of your card, and they've got all your details.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's scary.
Yeah, it's scary stuff nowadays.
Yeah.
I would like to maybe get a little bit of some kind of crypto, because a lot of the cryptos now you can go to different places and spend it, to where maybe you can only use certain currencies, but a lot of different countries and stuff are making where you can use Bitcoin.
Yeah, we one of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can use your, well, not everywhere, but at like chain stores to buy groceries and stuff like that, you can use Bitcoin. Dubai is fully crypto. They've obviously got the dirham, but you can buy anything with crypto over there. And yeah, there's plenty countries actually already. There's already something like, what was it we looked last night? I think it's 73,000 or no, 37 or 34,000 Bitcoin ATMs around the world.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
And
it's getting bigger.
It's just going to keep growing.
Trump launched his coin, the World Financial, what's that thing called? It's also a stable coin. He launched it, I think 2 days ago. World Financial
Liberty.
That's the one. Thank you. That's the one. Financial Liberty. Yeah.
Yeah, it came out on September 1st. It went to like, I don't know, appears in CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko and some stuff. But I was talking to a friend and he's telling me that it was really like early. I don't know, like some kind of IPO, something like that. I don't know.
Yeah. It wasn't available to the public, and you had to buy quite a lot. Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes when stocks and stuff come out, they do it like that. They do an IPO, and it's just the way they do it. It's only available to certain people at first.
Yeah. So now, if you buy it, I see now.
It's in
actually, it was yesterday.
You know, it's in Coinbase. It's in Coinbase and.
Do you know the ticker?
It's W. Let me check.
Yeah, I've got it. Yeah, it's called WLFI. It's at the moment at 18 cents, and it's only been listed for 24 hours now. I also use CoinGecko as Skeletor says.
Yeah, it's because I use CoinGecko because like 4 years ago I was heavily in the DeFi space.
Oh, okay.
And you know, I get into a lot of shit coins, and I would say I make money, but it was like hard because every day it was like a new project, you know, available and all this stuff, and man.
4 years. When
it was in the
all of that.
2021.
Yeah, Moon Boys and Safe Moon and all that.
Yeah,
You're
yeah,
talking
yeah.
about.
Saves, yeah, yes. I
I
was
was
in
also
those
in that,
tutorials safe mode. Yeah, you know
but
what
I
I'm
lost.
talking about, yeah.
Look, well, I got the crypto guys on here. Is my Shiba Inu ever gonna come back?
Yeah, I believe that Pepe is the new Shiba Inu, but
What?
Shiba Inu is gonna stay.
It's gonna stay where it's at, or it's gonna.
I don't know. It's. I don't think it will ever leave the crypto space.
Okay.
You know, it's a meme coin. It's the same like Doge. There's a lot of things that they're building now with Shiba Inu. Pepe, as far as I know, is on Ethereum chain. Um, so if you look at Shiba Inu, I think it did something like from the start, something like 32 or 50 million%, and then it went down again. So, and Pepe is also now, it's very, very, very cheap.
Yeah, I had
So I'm
Shiba
sure
Inu
even
one
if
day.
you
I
buy-
just happened to look at my phone and it was in profit. Good profit too. It was like a couple $1,000. And then like I had something to do, so I'm like, okay, well, I'll sell out of it tomorrow. And then like the next day it dropped. That's all I got was
Yeah,
like that
that's how
one
fast
opportunity. Like it was there, it was gone. Like, well, I'll hold it for another 5 years.
Yeah, now I'm actually accumulating Shiba as well, Dogecoin as well. I think Doge is gonna give a big push as well, and then Cardano I'm also accumulating now on the way down for the last bump. So I think those are gonna do really good, and H bar and XLM.
Yeah, I think a lot
And
of
there
it's
is
just a matter of waiting.
gambling. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, no,
Yeah, I was like, I don't know, I don't remember the year, but I remember when I saw Chiba Inu for the first time. It was only you have to get it in. Forgot the exchange. The Ethereum exchange for the. I have to look for it.
I think
The
I
one
bought
that
it.
it have like a pony or horse or something like that. Let me check.
I think I bought it when they first put it on Weeble, and they was talking about there was all kinds of stuff they were going to do with it. Like it's got its own game and got its own platform and everything. So that sounds interesting.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't complain. I've had many opportunities to sell. I've sold some of it, so it's not total loss. But I guess when you get that opportunity, you got to take it.
So I first time when I hear about Chiba, and there was only one place you can buy it, and it was in Uniswap.
Oh, yeah.
And Uniswap, you have to have Ethereum, and I didn't buy it. I was only like to buy like $100 or $200, but I need to pay like almost
Yeah,
the
I
same
know.
for the gas fee.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
And
Uniswap.
and
It's very
yeah,
expensive.
yeah.
The swap fees, yeah.
And I didn't buy it. But if I bought at that time, it would be like $5 million right now from $100 or $200 only.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Because it was like 3 months after the release of Chiba that I saw that.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
But man, what can I say?
Yeah, but Uniswap, I know, because you get, your Uniswap, your Pancake Swap, and all of that, and those used to run on the Ethereum, and Ethereum's gas fees was extremely expensive.
Yeah.
So,
At that time it was crazy. It was crazy.
Yeah, so
I-
Ethereum came to the party now, so it's not as expensive anymore doing transactions on their blockchain. But yeah, they were expensive that time.
That's why at that time I was only like making a transaction in BNB.
Yes, the Binance Smart Chain. Yeah,
Yeah.
no. But that's the thing. It's always the ones that you want to buy that explodes, and the ones that everyone talks about and that you buy doesn't.
That's
So
because
just buy the
most of the time, by the
junk.
time they're talking about it, it's already happened.
Yeah, true. True.
Just like
But
watch right before
yeah,
Bitcoin collapses, you'll see everybody talking about it and how great it is, and everybody will be giving you
yep,
advice on it. That's what
exactly. This
happened.
is the
That's what happened the
retail
last couple
pump.
times.
Sorry.
Sorry, good.
No, what I mean is, yeah, sorry to interrupt you. What they call is now is the retail FOMO. So
Yep.
because Bitcoin went up and up and up, now they're getting all these people excited. They're buying in, and then all the investors dump on them.
Yep. When you
That's
go to the
when we go
grocery
into the
store
bull
and the cashier's telling you how great it is, then it's time to start selling.
market. Yeah. Exactly.
I watched one
Just
guy.
excuse me for 2 minutes. Sorry, I just quickly need to do something. I'll be back now. Sorry.
Well,
All right. Sorry.
I'll take opportunity to be back real quick too. Give me a minute.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
All right, I'm back, fellas.
Yeah. Sorry. I'm back as well.
Yeah, I watched one guy that does stock trading, and he says he always knows when to sell out of a bunch of stocks. And he says when he goes to the store and the cashier's giving him advice, telling him exactly what stocks to buy, that's his indicator to start getting out.
That is so true and so clever.
He's like when everybody you see is an expert, it's time to get out.
Exactly.
It's true. It's definitely true. Yeah, I got big
When
plans.
is Trump's talked already? Sorry.
Go ahead.
Trump, has he spoke already? The news.
Haven't looked. Supposed was around 4, wasn't it? Those people you never know because they give you a time, but then they show up and they do what they want whenever they want.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm seeing 4 o'clock. Then I also seen that he's supposed to. There was something at 12 he was doing. Trump at ambassador ceremony. Some Fed guy speaking. Trump signs executive orders at 2. Some kind of announcement at 4, and then a dinner. I don't know. Appreciate talking to you guys. I think I'm gonna get off here. I got a few things to do.
Yeah, thanks
Get
a
ready.
lot.
Everybody
That's
excited
fun.
about the weekend? Y'all got big plans or?
Not really.
No. We do easy.
Gonna take it easy? That's what I want to do.
Yes.
Sometimes that's my favorite big plans. Just take it easy and be lazy around the house.
Yeah. Next week the
Well-
markets again.
Yeah, Sunday, watch NFL, some beers, and that's it.
There you go. Sometimes that's the best week. I got small kids, so I spend so many weekends running around trying to do all kinds of stuff. It's nice to get the ones where I can just relax.
Take a break.
Yeah. I think everybody with kids, they need more breaks. Now we're getting back into soccer practices and school, everything else. It's so much. Fellas, appreciate you hanging out,
Later.
chatting,
Thanks a lot.
enjoying.
You guys take care.
Hope everyone
Have
has
a weekend. Take care. Bye.
have a great weekend.
And you. Thanks a lot.
And yeah, appreciate you telling us about the moon phases and the Bitcoin. And it's great hearing good advice from people that know about Bitcoin. I know a little bit, but my knowledge isn't near what y'all's is. Thank you guys.
Anytime.
Yeah.
All right. Bye-bye.
Appreciate it.
Later. Bye.
Bye, guys. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me today. Appreciate everyone. I hope everyone has a great weekend. And see everybody Monday. Thanks, guys.
The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done.